So hello, welcome back to our PvP POV video once again. Ragnarok X KVM KVM or Guild versus Guild 5v5. So I'm playing my assassin as usual. So being the sneaky type once again. So as an assassin, you should pick your targets clearly and precisely because you are a squishy one to kumbaga you are also a glass cannon. So here we are, I am picking up the assassin because obviously we're both the same squishy type. I got the upper hand of him because he used his hide earlier than me, so that means that he's gonna be out first than me. As you can see, he used his second hide now. There, he's dead. So shout out sa guild ko, Tanduay Boys, Sochi Market, Loki. So again, you should pick a squishier target. So there are priests, there's assassin too, double assassin. That's great for me. As an assassin, you should be at the back. You are not the frontliner, unlike their assassin. There, dead in a couple of seconds because he engaged frontally. Oh, and he got resu and died. Eventually died again. And the second assassin too, dead, all dead. So this guild versus guild is only on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So round 2. So as an assassin, you should not be with your crowd because if you will get there, you will get burst by the mostly of the AOE skill damage by wizards or knights and all those heavy hitters. As of this level, I don't have my Grim Tooth ready yet. And as you can see, I'm always at the back waiting to strike for my target. I see a hunter, that's a potential target, so I slide into them and boom, burst. As you can see, I eventually moved back and helped my mage because he was being harassed by the opponent's assassin. So that is my other goal, or to protect the nuker, which is our wizard, because ako lang yung mobile enough na makapag-back at saka makapag-back up na rin sa wizard kasi yung iba busy talaga sa pagpalo sa mga kalaban. Kasi minsan talaga magta-tunnel vision ka, lalo na kapag sabik ka nang pumatay. So again, do not go with them because you'll get nuked too. So in this time, the enemy are choosing to group up in their base so that they can utilize the sanctuary heal of the priest. But luckily, my comrades are very very strong and they squished them all, even though they have priests who are healing. Boom, dead again. So itong team ko ay magkakabarkada lang kami nito. 1 blacksmith, 2 knights, and a wizard, and also me. So we don't have sustain, so we got some burst damage, but there is a downside with this team. So again, find the squishier targets, not the knight. That hunter could be, but he's beside the priest, so that would be difficult, so I run. And just keep on pressuring the hunter. That's my job. Boom, I die. So the thing of a team na walang sustain is pag hindi kami nakaburst ng maayos. Kasi pag hindi kami as one tumira, wala, mapipil off lang kami ng dahan-dahan dahil sila hindi namamatay. Isa rin to sa kinaiinisan ko eh. Pag ma-blind ako, hindi ako makatarget kung sana yung mga squishy. Because as a burst team, we have to synchronize all our attacks para hindi masayang yung mga cooldown. Kapag ganito, wala eh. Kulilat.